In this video, I'll show you how to transfer USDT from Coinbase to an external wallet. Now, as I've pointed out in a few other videos before, when we're talking about USDT and we're talking about Coinbase, it has to be Coinbase Wallet. So the first step would be to go and get the wallet ID from whatever wallet you want to send the USDT to. And that will, of course, differ to whatever wallet you are trying to send to or exchange you're trying to send to. And once you've copied that wallet address, what you're then going to do is jump over to Coinbase Wallet. You're going to go to the search bar and just search for USDT. And make sure it is on the correct network that you are trying to send to. So for us, it's going to be Ethereum. Now, I don't have any in my wallet, but you will click on send. And from there, Coinbase Wallet will automatically paste the wallet ID if you copied it. Next, it'll ask you the amount of USDT you want to send. And after that, it'll give you a review screen, which will have the fees involved as well. Make sure you have enough crypto to cover those fees. So if it's Ethereum, make sure you have a little bit of Ethereum to cover the gas fees for that network. And that's really all there is to it. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to hit like, hit subscribe, and I'll see you in the next video.